Yes, welcome. And with this video, I'm just going to share with you how you can utilize fair value gap and order blocks when you are in market to get some high probability setups, guys. Okay, guys, just stick around up the end of this video. You get something today. So I'm on my Euro USD pair, and I'm just going to analyze some structure here, and we see the zones that were respected with the order block and the fair value gap. Actually, we're gonna see those zones that were respected, and what you learn here, you'll be able to apply it to your demo account if you're still practicing, or to your real account to get some profits. Okay, so now if you come here to our structure here, we're gonna start from right here and we analyze something, right? So now we're gonna start with the so let's start with this structure here. Okay, so this structure was kind of bullish when you start from here. It was bullish. Why? Because of these higher highs and higher lows the market was making, right? It was actually breaking highs, means we were in the bullish market, guys. You see that this high actually it was still protected, means there isn't any break above that high. Okay, so now we would just we would just wait for the market actually to come in and break this low right here, and we say okay, so now we are bearish. We are bearish in the short run. Okay, so now I want to show you some of the order blocks that were tested in the favorable gaps that were already tested, guys. Okay, remember I told you first look for the structure. As we said, this one it is bullish. This is the structure we're looking at, this recent one here. And actually after that you look for the range you are trading in. Okay, for example here, now we had this range. For example here we had this range because of this is a higher high, this is a higher low, higher high, right? So now this was the range. Okay, this was the range, that one and this one, right? So now after finding your range, you can pull out your fib tool, right? You can really pull out your fib tool and you get where you're going to trade from, right? Because now we trade from discount for this case, because we want to see some buys. Okay, so you can pull out your fib, or you can first indicate your fair value gap and order blocks you've seen in the you've seen really in what in your discount, right? So for example, we have one of the fair value gap right here. So we have that fair value gap right there. Yes, then after that we have another block right here. There's this other block here. Okay, so means the market just came and respected our order block. Okay, and it went up, but this order block was in our discount and it did respect the fair value gap. Though after the market tapping in your zone, you can go to your lower time frame where you enter the market from, right? So after this break of market structure, now here we're considering this as our new range. Okay, so that one and this one, now this one became our new range. Okay, hope you're seeing it, guys, right? So now that one became our new range, right? And we want to trade from our discount. Okay, when you come to your discount, you'll see that there are some gaps. You see that there are some gaps that were there, right? So let me show you here. You see that there is this fair value gap right here. Okay, and on this fair value gap there is order block down it, right? Remember, some of the high probability order blocks we can really use when it is followed by a fair value gap, means that order block it is really high probability, right? So you can see there's that fair value gap, so it is only the one that is really there, and you can see that when the market came there it respected it very well and it was in our discount, guys, right? So now also, and now after that break, you will see that we got our new range here, this one. So here you get a new range right here. So this low and the other high, that is our new range. Though now today the market didn't break, right? Rather it just came and made a structure shift. Okay, it just made our structure shift, as you can see here. Okay, means now we have turned from bullish to bearish market. Yeah, because of this was a break here, right? As I told you, right? After that, you can see that the market just came and made a structure shift right here. Okay, this one you can see here. This is a very good what? A very good structure shift. Okay, yeah. So now after that, now we got a new range. How do you get a new range? After seeing some retracement. For example, now this one became our new range. This is the high, right? This is a high that failed to break. Now we're considering this and considering that and this one here. Okay, this one became our bearish range we are looking at, guys, right? So now here we are going to trade from our premium zone. Okay, so now here when you look in your premium, you'll see that there are some other block and favorite gap. So mostly the market just respected this favorite gap right here. Okay, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, guys, the market just came here and respected the favorite gap right here. That means it worked here in our premium zone. Okay, now after that break, we want to see another range, right? So the new range that we are going to trade in, it is this one and this one. This is a new range. Okay, now we are in. So after that, you just come in, mark your favorite gap and your order blocks, guys. Okay, so when you zoom in a bit, you'll see that there are several order blocks that were tested in favorite gap, guys. Okay, so there is this here, okay, then there is this one here, okay, and it is the one that was respected. Okay, so it was the one that was respected and someone would just enter from there.